Hey coppers, welcome back to the bush. Actually, the work truck today. Now, in this video, we're going to make a start on the first Lockyer Hubs project car. Now, I'm proper excited about this one. Let me tell you, I've always wanted to build an off your chops four-wheel drive where there ain't no mountain high enough and there ain't no track steep enough. And this is going to be it, without a shadow of a doubt. Hang around and let's see what we're starting off with. Well, best laid plans of mice and men. Took the chassis into the backyard, went to hook up the cartridge so I can degrease the thing, and turns out my hose isn't long enough. I've got two hoses but got no way of joining them, so I'm down here to grab a hose joiner, which I've done. It's a weekday and let me tell you, I'm pretty disappointed they aren't running sausages. Can anyone send a word to management? I mean, it's the only reason I come to Bunnings on weekends, and they're going to actually hook up the hoses. Let's go home, hook up the hoses, hook up the high pressure water, and let's start the degreasing process. Now, it's raining outside, but by the end of it, it's probably not going to matter anyway. And now for the cartering. This is going to take a while.
A few moments later.
Okay, now that's sort of done. I'll show you a few things about this chassis. So those of you who haven't guessed by now, this is a Toyota Land Cruiser 80 series chassis. Big surprise, I know. Anyway, let's have a bit of a look. It's pretty straight. It doesn't seem like it's done a lot of Ks. However, it's got a barbecue gas bottle on the back, and let me tell you, that's going. Okay, now one thing with the Toyota Land Cruiser chassis in the 80 series is by different year you have to comply with different ADRs, and this particular chassis is a 1996, April 1996 chassis. So what it means is I get 3.5 ton towing. I also don't have to have intrusion bars on the doors, which isn't an issue if you're sticking with the 80 series body. However, I mightn't be doing that, so that's a consideration for me. Then your Toyota Land Cruiser chassis, they seem to crack just around here. Now this one doesn't seem to have any cracks there. I've given it a good blast, seems pretty good. Also, on your panhard rod mount, you might be able to see up there, just up there where the panhard rod mount bracket meets the chassis, they seem to crack there. This one's good, but it's going to get reinforced anyway. Okay, so why I've chosen this chassis. So the chassis comes standard with coils up the front, coils up the back, solid axle front and back. It's a hard package to beat for your more challenging off-road, and that's standard. It's a good chassis. There aren't a couple of small bits and pieces that need attending to, like reinforcement around the steering box that I pointed to before, but other than that, geez, I tell you what, they're pretty solid things. Good solid old buses. And look guys, I hope you stick around for the build. It's not going to be a quick one. This is probably going to take me a couple of years, and there'll be periodic updates. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it the old thumbs up. If you didn't, by all means, give it a thumbs down. Twice. Thanks guys. We'll see you in the next one. I can't help myself. Bad habits. I'm running wild. It's not recording, is it? Oh dear, it is.